sunny and also looks like a very cloudy area. Looks nice. And let's see how does it look like. Basically this is for a walk. And look, I'm going this way, and this is a very nice spot for fishing. It's a nice spot for fishing here, but this place is muddy. Is there any fish that we can see in here? No, I cannot see. Yeah. Nice flower, eh?
Yeah.
Very nice flower. Don't see it. Maybe the fish will come here. Duckies are there. And there's so many boats there. So if anybody wants to go for far for fishing, it's the best place to go. Hire a boat and then you go. Port Perry, nice place. See, the attention sign is here. This is called Rayleigh population has declined. So, and it is, I think, restricted for now. During the time of season we can do that. Here's another spot. Massing the environment, but it's a nice spot as well for fishing. Port Perry, Sukab area. Nice.